And I love the number of 41% of all millionaires in the world, they have LinkedIn accounts. That means that you are close enough to CEOs, C-level executives, CEOs, CMOs, COOs, CTOs, decision makers, and change makers. Sometimes before you get through the gatekeepers of who can buy and sign the check, you gotta convince a change maker. That can be an employee, can be your desk mate if you're looking for a job, someone who will talk and refer you to a job or a sale. And what is how you should build your profile from now on, your new advert. The first thing, go there and change the URL. Match these, remove those numbers, hash numbers if you have them, if you created your profile. Use 2 names, 3 names, but put these consistently with your Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram profile, because you want to be the same person everywhere. Once you start creating content and understanding that all these social media, they work differently, and the audiences consuming your content will be different and consuming your content in different times, you will want to be the same person everywhere. Artwork, you gotta invest time in your picture, no money, time in taking a proper picture, get away from selfies and all, like a proper, even your mobile phone, but lights, it must show your professionalism through your picture. Even the banner in your LinkedIn profile, bring something that it's associated with what you do, what you sell. If you're going to speak somewhere, visit a profile, a new country, a new client, keep all these artwork current. Show people it's a different way to advertise yourself and show people that you are a busy person.